Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start now. Open the Domino's app or website and sign in so payment and address autofill. This saves minutes. Next, pick the closest store listed and check its delivery status and ETA in minutes because travel times vary. Then select size, crust, and toppings. Use carryout coupons if you can, since pickup is often faster. Once done, review the order summary and confirm payment. This prevents delays at the store and speeds up fulfillment. After ordering, prioritize logistics. Add clear order notes, leave at door or buzzer code so drivers don't waste time. If speed matters, choose carryout and select the earliest ready time. You save delivery wait. If you need delivery, keep your phone audible and enable live tracking. Contact the driver quickly if they ring the wrong buzzer. Once confirmed, watch the tracker, estimate arrival, and prepare cash or tip options. This smooths handoff and reduces last-minute hiccups. When the pizza arrives, inspect it. Confirm name, size, and toppings against the receipt. This solves mistakes fast. If you picked up, show your confirmation to the clerk and open the box before walking out. Dominoes are replaced faster that way. If delivery, verify at the door, tip appropriately, and keep the receipt. If anything is wrong or missing, call the store right away with the order number and request a remake or refund. Remain clear and calm. That gets the best result.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.